screen capture using this. There we are. See that line there? As I move the mouse pointer over. Now I'm going over the top of these lines with this cursor. But definitely I'd like to have it's got a change profile here. But I don't know how to change the profile. It's got an arrow there as if I can select different profiles. Which I would want to do. Okay, I'm in Tinkercad here. I'm going to try and import this file. I've got this is number 1 here is direct from Tinkercad. Import. I'll come back when it's imported. This should import okay, no problems I don't think. There we are, as I say, imported, no problems there. This is the original file from Tinkercad, no repairs on it. So let's create a new design. And this time I'm going to try to import the repaired one, which is number 2 here. See, too large, 25 megabytes there, error. Right, I'll show you the file size. So here's the 2 file sizes. This is before and this is after. Okay, so you see that's substantially bigger there. And this is 1000. That's 104,000. So substantially bigger.